guys, very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are going to be doing some really cool and super refreshing drink. As we all know that summers are here and it's extremely hot and we need something which is going to keep us cool and make us feel fresh throughout the day. So let's see the recipe. 1 cup strawberries, 1 almond milk, natural, unsweetened, isopure, 0 carb, protein, strawberry flavor. First in a blender we're going to take half a cup of almond milk, then we're going to add fresh strawberries to the same. Next we're going to add 1 scoop of isopure protein. Last we're going to add some ice and a half a cup of chilled water. And our fresh strawberry protein milkshake is ready. So our protein strawberry milkshake is ready. It's super easy. It's loaded with vitamins like magnesium and vitamin C that's going to keep you fresh throughout the whole day. Secondly, it's extremely low in calories. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Mahek's core, pilates, and amazing, awesome, super easy recipes. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time.